Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Media Player server execution failed error on Windows 10. Okay guys, so as you can see that I'm trying to open this one of my recording and in Windows Media Player and I'm getting this error. Okay, so let me show you. This is my recording and if I open it, as you can see guys, I'm getting this error, server execution failed. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys 3 methods by which you can fix this error. Okay, so let's see if I'm able to fix this error or not. Okay, so method 1, so we have to end Windows Media Player process in Task Manager. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to press windows+r key on the keyboard and you have to type here taskmgr and then click on OK. And guys, if you get this little window over here, you just need to expand it. Okay guys, so as you can see guys, this is the process. You just need to click over here and then click on this end task. Okay, as you can see, it's now suspended, and let me close this window and let me open it again. Hi guys, as you can see guys, it's working. Okay, so the method 1 works out for me, but it won't be for you. Okay, so you can try other methods like this method 2, like register jscript.dll and vbscript.dll. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to type cmd in this search box over here and you have to right click over here and then click this run as administrator. Okay, and I will place this this text in the video description, all these methods, so you can check it out very easily. Okay, so let me copy that. Type this svr32 space jscript.dll without quotes and hit enter. So we are registering that. Okay, so I copied and pasted over here and I just need to hit enter. As you can see, DLL succeeded. Okay, this registered. So you just need to click on OK, and again we need to register this one, vbscript.dll. so you just need to copy this, or you can type that also very easily, svr32 space vbscript.dll. okay, go to command prompt, paste it over here and hit enter, and then click on OK, and just close the command prompt window and just open the Windows Media Player and see if this method works out for you or not. Okay, and suppose if method 1 and 2 doesn't work for you, then you can try this method 3, that is disabling Windows Media Player network sharing services. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to press windows+r key on the keyboard and you have to type this services.msc and then click on OK. And guys, here you need to find this Windows Media Player network sharing service. Okay, so here we have, you just need to double click on that and you get this window. Under General tab, you have to find this startup type, click over here and click on disabled, and guys, you need to apply that and OK. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because I'm able to fix my issue. And after that, you just need to restart your computer and try opening the file again, guys. Okay, let me correct that in Windows Media Player. So you can try all these processes the methods, and you can let's see if that works out for you or not. Please let me know in the comment section. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.